guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. Today I have a clear quartz nail that I'm going to be showing you guys, and this was just kind of like my inspo. So this is what I came up with. In my opinion, I do like it. I feel like I wanted to go a little more in depth with it, so I might create another one, but I do really love how the matte came out, so I love that. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I did it. I went in with my XXL Coffin tips, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just go in with any base gel that you have. I'm going in with this one. Yeah, so just go in with any base gel that you have, and then you're gonna need a white alcohol paint and then some white chrome. You don't really need the white chrome, but I think it gives it like a really pretty like shimmer. But yeah, so just go in now with your base coat. Okay, so after you have cured your nail, it should just be a clear nail, and we're gonna need the blooming gel and a soft white. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my blooming gel on, do not cure it, and then we will be right back. Okay, so now we are going to go in with our soft white, and we're just going to set it on their little marble stone and create our lines for our marble. And for this marble, it's super simple. It's just a clear white and a clear. So go ahead and do that, and then we are going to get into the marble portion. Okay, so now we're just gonna glide our brush over the blooming gel and kind of just create our design. Something I would do probably on the next one, if I do one, well, I am gonna do one for Instagram. So if you're not on my Instagram, it's The Gems Co. And so one thing I'm gonna do is probably just do like one line. Like I love that one big line, and then let it like really spread out, and then I might cure and do another layer of the builder gel, or I mean the blooming gel, and then do one more layer of I can't really explain it, but I have an idea. So I'm gonna do that for my Instagram one and see how that turns out, because I really do love this like milky look, but I don't want too much of it like over the whole nail. I just want it in certain areas, and I want more dimension. So yeah, I'm gonna try that on the Instagram reel that I am gonna upload probably later and show you guys that. But yeah, just play around with it, find out what you like. There's no right or wrong to how much marble or clear or milky white there is. It's just your preference of a clear quartz. So yeah, this was my preference for this nail, and I do want to change a couple things on my next one and just kind of add more dimension and more layers. And then for this one, yeah, I did want to add a little bit more clear, so that's what I'm gonna do right there. And then once I am happy, I'm gonna go ahead and cure it. Okay, so here is what we're looking like, and I'm gonna continue to follow the lines that I made with the blooming gel marble. I'm just gonna follow that with my alcohol ink and kind of just play on that and keep the clear as possible, because it is a clear quartz and we just want like this like effect, like the marble effect. So yeah, I'm just gonna stay within the marble lines that I already created and try to keep the clear areas as clear as possible. So this part probably takes the longest because we're really just like playing around, seeing what we want to move around, seeing if we want to add more alcohol ink to other places. Like this is all just playing around and just kind of going with what feels good to you, and then you can just stop when you're ready. And because this is alcohol ink, you don't have to cure it, and then you can just go, we're gonna go straight in with the chrome, and then, or the chrome flakes, and then that's it. We're gonna cure this now. And me personally, I love the way the matte looks on all the stone nails. I love that even when I'm like purchasing crystals. I like the, I believe it's called like the unpolished stones. I really love those, and I'm just more of a matte girl, I think. But yeah, I like how the clear came out in gloss, but I love how it came out in matte. So I'm super excited to show you guys the final product. And also the chrome flakes or glitter, if you wanted to add any, is completely optional. I just love the effect that it gives, and I decided that with every single stone set or crystal set that I want to do, I really want to try to incorporate a chrome flake and just like, I don't know, just play with it and just have fun. So yeah, this part's totally optional. If you don't want to add any flakes or any glitter, you could just leave it like this. Or if you're just doing like a plain marble, like a clear soft white marble, this is perfect for that as well. So once you're happy, it is top coat time and we are done. This is how they look. I really do like the gloss as well. It's just hard to see obviously because it's clear and white. So yeah, I feel like the matte just brings it out a little more and you can see all that dimension that we created. So these are just a couple little videos. I was having fun and playing around, but yeah, I love how it looks. I love the black background. This looks so pretty to me. So yeah, if you guys like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.